So right now we in survival mode. Just have to get some paper towels. Hopefully the kids just won't put these in the toilet, you know, to stop the toilet up. So we're still trying to get our basic necessities for the house. And I'm gonna get some rice. So this is what the rice is looking like right now. This is the extra long bag. I'm gonna try to get the 10-pound bag. So that's $6.99. Y'all, it's so hard. Everything going on right now. These are some of the basic things that we normally can just pick up. And then now it's some of the hardest things that we have to pick up. We just take these things for granted. So I'm just gonna have to go ahead and get this bag. Everything is still out.
Seen before. Once again, this is Dad from Rolling with the Fam. Some Cinnamon biscuits, some sweet biscuits with icing with chocolate chip cookies. Yes, that looks very delicious. The blueberry version, yes, that looks so delicious. And also something new right here. Yes, cherry croissants. It's a kit, do-it-yourself kit at home. If you got kids and you want to participate, help them get started in the kitchen, this is perfect. They have right here. Yes. Got some bread. Can't go wrong with bread. Kool-Aid. Can't go wrong with the Kool-Aid. And what we spend today? $130. This is kind of like a bargain shop grocery haul today because a lot of this stuff was on sale. They had the sugar on sale. I believe these, the deluxe macaroni and cheese, white cheddar, garlic, and herbs. And they had the original as well, but I think there was what were they? 2 for $3? Yes, I believe they were 2 for $3. We're gonna make spaghetti sometime this week. So we got some good old sauce, fire roasted diced tomatoes, and it's gonna be a 3-meat blend. We're gonna start with ground chicken. I'm gonna take some pork Italian sausage, decase these and add it to the ground chicken. We're gonna chop up a few of these smoked sausage made with beef. I'm gonna chop up some of those and also put in the spaghetti. That's gonna be delish. And Mom doesn't really like them, but I figured we haven't had them in a long time. Some angel hair pasta.
Angel hair pasta.
I should have snuck these in last. Mom's getting ready to go to work. And I just ran over to the grocery store real quick.
Go ahead and give Daddy a thumbs up for doing these grocery hauls.
You know,
he's been doing a good job, so go ahead and give him a thumbs up.
Some home-style Parmesan and Romano mix cheese. We're gonna put this on top of the spaghetti.
Root beer?
Yes, this is my first time seeing this, and I love root beer. Mom hates it, but I'm gonna try it. It looks really good. These are like the to-go packs. You just grab and go. I like these. Also, for the kids, peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter. And also some jelly. Now, me and Mom was in here almost stuck for like 4 minutes yesterday because when I mentioned in the last grocery haul the TP for my bunghole, and for those of us old enough to remember that, it was Beavis and Butthead. But it took us like 10, 15 minutes to, it just was skipping out. It was, we lost track of a memory that should have been near and dear to my heart. Beavis and Butthead. A lot of afternoons after school sat in front of the TV watching that. Also, for the season that we're in, you can't go bad with some tussin. Yes, some honey, make it go down easy. And DM, get that max DM.
Pretty good, stocked up with some medicine, and that's a good thing because we need all the medicine we can get right now. You know, especially for the kids with their colds, and you just never know in case we're stuck in the house. So we're gonna go ahead and grab them some medicine. And then, you know, the adults need some medicine too for mommy and daddy. Let's see. The thing that we do need is some alcohol, which I don't see.
Also for the kids, some Diamond Tab. Also for our spaghetti, got some sauce. Now, comment down below when you was growing up, what was your favorite cereal? Mine's Fruity Pebbles. Yes, these were my favorite cereal growing up. I used to beg my mother to buy these, and she would never buy them. She would buy them occasionally. Like, we stayed with Frosted Flakes and Cheerios and things like that, but Fruity Pebbles, oh, we got these occasionally. These was like a hidden treasure when I got these. Oh God, yes, takes me back. What else we got? Got some milk, do a body good. Also, we have Cheerios. Can't go wrong with those. Never go wrong with these. You need these in your life. Gluten-free. Honey Nut Cheerios. What else we have here, y'all? What else we got? Was that it? I told y'all this was a short one. I told y'all we didn't get that much this day. What else we got down here? Some eggs. And I know when y'all go in the grocery store, y'all don't just be picking up the eggs. You gotta open the cart, check them, make sure none are damaged. That's how you get some eggs. Yay. And what else? Oh, cannot forget this. Bacon. Man food right here. And none of that turkey faking. That is not real bacon. If it's not made out of anything but pork, only pork can be bacon. Only pork. Not chicken, not turkey, not beef, only pork. If it ain't pork, it ain't bacon. Ooh, looking all natural. What we got over here? Some good stuff. Probably all BS, but you know, hey, marketing. What else? Don't let me forget. Down here on the floor, we got 4 of these bad boys. Gotta keep these in here for this time and now during to what's going on in the country with COVID-19. I'm keeping extra on hand. Don't forget to check in with us for the next grocery haul. And also, guys, you know, we don't really go to the store this much back to back, but you know, we're kind of a pick it up that night and see what we want tomorrow type of family. Due to the situation right now where we have to hunker down and be in the house and not go out so much into the public, we've been, you know, buying more in bulk. So if you all like our grocery hauls, make sure you comment, leave a like, And, you know, tell us what you want to see from us more. Till then, that's Kate saying bye. We'll see you all in the next one.